Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Cubot P50. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia. From here you need to select Receive on Cubot and Send on Nokia Smartphone. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one. For example, that one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Cubot, choose Yes I agree on No thanks and tap on Close this window. As you can see, after that we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, selecting Allow and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!